Edward Seaga, Jamaica's fifth Prime Minister, left an indelible mark on the country's politics. His tenure, spanning nearly 3 decades, was marked by significant economic, social, and cultural reforms. Let's look at his early life and career. Born on May 28, 1930 in Boston, Massachusetts, Seaga's family returned to Jamaica when he was just 3 months old. He attended Wilmer's Boys School and later graduated from Harvard University with a degree in social sciences. Before entering politics, Seaga worked as a music producer and promoter, even owning a record company, West Indies Records Limited. Rise to prominence. Seaga's political career began in 1959 when he was appointed to the Legislative Council, now the Senate, by Alexander Bustamante, founder of the Jamaica Labour Party (JLP). At 29, he was the youngest member ever appointed. In 1962, Seaga was elected Member of Parliament for West Kingston, a seat he held for 43 consecutive years. Let's look at his prime ministerial years. As Prime Minister from 1980 to 1989, Seaga implemented various economic and financial reforms, including establishing financial institutions, Jamaica Citizens Bank, Jamaica Stock Exchange, and the National Development Bank. Economic deregulation, removing import licensing and price controls. Privatization, lease of government-owned hotels, and privatization of financial institutions. Seaga also focused on social programs, such as the redevelopment of Back Wall, a notorious slum in West Kingston, and its replacement with housing, schools, and community amenities named Tivoli Gardens. Let's look at his legacy. Seaga's impact on Jamaican politics is multifaceted. He is credited with shaping the country's financial infrastructure, establishing institutions necessary for economic growth, promoting Jamaican culture, supporting the development of Jamaican music and arts. Leadership, serving as leader of the opposition from 1974 to 1980, and again from 1989 to 2005. Despite controversies surrounding his tenure, Seaga remains a significant figure in Jamaican politics. His legacy continues to influence the country's economic, social, and cultural landscape.